my introduction to wedding would be हम साथ साथ है कि oh lovely 18 मिनट के संगीत हो रहे हैं, you know, राधे काके डैडी जरा I wanted.
गले में लाल टाई, घर में
Yeah.
चारपाई,
तकिया एक और हम दो,
एक ही है रजा, सर्दी कैसे जाएगी, वो कहो कैसे हमें नींद आएगी.
And that is not a bad representation of South Indian. हाँ?
What happened? क्या हुआ? Hey?
I'm so lost
What
about
happened?
this. I have no idea
क्या
what
हुआ?
I'm doing
किसे
right
हुआ?
now.
You're talking to me? Call me sir.
I had like a slight bias against Sushmita because my name is Aishwarya.
Oh.
Which is so stupid, but in my head I was like, Aishwarya deserved to be Miss Universe.
You're a bad girl.
No, I think
you're
you
a
do that.
bad girl. That's what it is. You're a bad girl.
I'm supposed to feel bad about this.
Yeah.
I'm Suman Ranganathan.
You're the Suman Ranganathan. Clap and welcome to another episode of the Popcorn Hour. I'm Shantanu.
I'm Akanksha.
Today we have the coolest guest that we've had today, and she is a comedian. She is a writer. She is an Instagram influencer. She is an overall cool, very, very funny, cute person who Aishwarya Mohan Raj is in the house. Woo!
I love
Very
that
good.
intro. That was
Yeah.
so good, Shantanu. I just want to say, मुझे singing और dancing का बहुत शौक है.
Yeah, strong. You know what, Aishwarya? You're really seeming like you're different. There's something different about you.
Something what?
Yeah, I didn't think you'd be like this, you know?
Oh, yeah, you look-
कुछ तो तुम में
yeah,
अलग
yeah,
है.
This, if you can say at the end of the episode,
Okay.
how much more impact it'll have.
Okay,
Then
yeah.
this seems very scripted.
It feels like you've told us.
Yeah, something
Yeah.
She
like
didn't
that.
tell us to say this. This is coming Dil Se.
This came Dil Se.
Maybe at the end of the episode and cut this part. This
Cut
part
this
won't
part
be there.
we'll
Okay,
cut.
you wouldn't have
Oh,
said
we'll
it.
keep this and the end
We
both.
put it
That'll be
later
the
in the
best.
sentence.
So we'll
ठीक है.
know this and the ending. So
What are we talking about today?
you have to tell us, yaar.
I'll tell you. You already know now what we're discussing. We
I
just
don't know.
landed
I'm
up.
going to be so impromptu. I'm not prepped.
You've not
We're going to
memorized
discuss.
anything.
We're going to discuss
Salient points.
love. Okay, we're going to discuss deep love and the representation of love in movies. What it taught us, how it informed the ideas of how to be a good partner, bad partner. Everything we will discuss about love.
Okay.
So let's start with Actually, one we'll go. Okay.
One we'll go. One we'll go.
One we'll go.
One we will go. So Aishwarya, you tell me, what's your favorite dramatic love story in Bollywood?
Dramatic. I'll tell you. Describe drama. Like I feel
Like
all love
slightly
stories are
melodramatic.
drama.
No, you know how some are slightly more like real. Like for example,
जाने तो या जाने ना real.
real.
Okay, but
Real.
drama you mean like oh ये तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता types.
हाँ, थोड़ा larger than life.
K3G, but it's not my favorite.
Yeah.
I don't like K3G.
I hate it.
You
Yes.
guys really come with strong opinions.
I hate
You
K3G.
don't
I
like
don't like
K3G.
The thing is, I love Shah Rukh. I love you, Shah Rukh. Shah Rukh.
He's not watching, Aishwarya. He doesn't watch
Hey,
this. You're
dream
not.
bigger.
He may, huh? We don't know.
Today I'm there.
Yeah, look at that.
Ah.
Shah Rukh.
But why do you not like K3G?
K3G. Okay, let me explain this to you. Do you like Shah Rukh and K3G? Do you think he...
Love. I think he's looked the best in K3G. Chak
Fuck
De and
the looks,
K3G.
yeah.
He's Akash, no, not Anant.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Huh. He's the older, sure.
Second half one is good.
What are you saying, Shantanu? Second half is the worst guy I have
London
ever
Life.
seen.
You don't think that
London
they're
Life
married?
Shah
Rahul.
Rukh is the worst. Rahul dude, he
He's my
hates
favorite.
his wife. He hates his wife. Every time Anjali has come in the second half, he has put cotton buds.
She's
He's like-
singing and all
But
that.
she
so
needs
that's
to take a
fine,
chill
yeah.
pill.
Yeah, it's fine. She's
No,
singing.
but
Krish is, oh my god.
My God, dude, she is being her. She was the same before the interval, after the interval. Why
Okay.
the fuck have you tried to be like, my God,
So
she's
that
too
she
much?
can become better. He's expecting her to evolve from that little Chandni
Did we
chowk.
not do the evolving thing in
Kuch
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 Hota
Hota Hai?
Hai?
Should we do it in every movie now?
That's the
This is it.
expectation. First half, Kajol is uncouth and unprepared. Second half, she smoothens herself out as a
No,
human
but
being.
that's the
And then
thing.
Shah Rukh is like,
You think Geet has changed after marriage with Aditya? No, she hasn't.
We
She's
don't even
remained
know
to
if
be
they got
like.
married. Yeah.
Come on, yeah. They
Why,
had
yaar?
two children.
One
Halwa.
No, but did we see
Yeah.
Dara Singh ke saath
Yeah,
two
they have
children
two
come?
kids in the end.
वो अंशुमन के हैं.
And Shahid is sitting with Anshuman's children.
He's
over
that
there.
accepting.
I will not accept
He's
this
that
blasphemy.
No, Aditya Kashyap is that accepting that he would accept her kids.
100%. Aditya Kashyap loved her.
You're saying he's
Rahul
irritated.
hates her.
He hates Anjali.
But I
That's
actually
strong
wanna know-
banter.
Yeah, I want to know. Don't you think in a wedding of 10 years have passed, okay, wedding has happened, you will become friends and you'll do a
You
little
will become
joke.
friends, but you will not hate her all the time,
Hate
dude.
her?
Everything she does, he has one comment to pass.
But that's the-
and he, like, she's come to do some love, some touching, something is
yeah.
happening, and he, मैं briefcase दे दो, क्या कर रही हो?
yeah.
हाँ, कपड़े कैसे पहने? ये क्या हो रहा है? Everything is choo chat, choo chat. She is so happy that her son Krish is standing over there, and he's going to sing one song. सादा तुम शोर मत करना, तुम थोड़ा आराम से बात करना, यहाँ पे सब लोग बैठे.
मेरा बेटा स्टेज पर है, एक सीटी तो बजाऊंगी.
नहीं सीटी नहीं नो
What is this?
He रायचंद का बेटा है वो.
यार, बेटा.
भाई
Imagine.
रायचंद ने
He
तुमको
left-
एक
How far will an
एक
apple
टुकड़ा
fall from a
घास
tree?
नहीं दिया है यार. तुम रायचंद को क्या पकड़ के, इतनी बड़ी फोटो है, तुम्हारी बीवी की फोटो कहाँ है उसमें? उस पूरे घर में तुम्हारी बीवी की फोटो कहाँ है?
दादाजी को जय करेंगे ना वो अपनी बीवी को.
Yeah, this has
Yo, you have a big-
this point has changed my
मैं
perspective.
श्रेया का
a
portrait
little
लगवा
bit.
रहा हूँ
This
घर पे.
perspective, this
That
has
has
changed my
changed.
perspective a
उसकी
little
बीवी
bit.
का घर क्यों?
There's a blown up picture. This is a little weird. There's a
Of his
blown up
father.
picture of father and
वो जरूर
mother.
काजोल ने लगाया. What you should be
अच्छी
worried
बहू है.
about is आलोकनाथ का फोटो क्यों नहीं है? That is the true question.
अच्छी
लगा रहे हो तो दोनों का लगाओ और मरा तो एक है.
Then-
एक तो जिंदा है. The one who's dead you should put, yeah.
Then tell me, what is a movie where husband-wife representation you like?
हाँ.
You also tell.
She's Rajshri. I like
She's
Rajshri
Raj-
marriages.
I like Raj.
I actually know that ethos. They never
Yeah.
fight. They're kind to each
They're
other.
kind
They're
to
very
each other.
They're very
Exactly.
kind.
I like it.
They're
They don't
unlike
ban-
in
they
the-
Girls
don't ban.
don't mind being subservient in it. It's not like they're being forced to do
Correct.
something.
It's good.
Preeti is a doctor. She's a fucking homeopathic doctor.
Yeah. No, she does everything. She's a gynaec also.
No.
वो सब फालतू के वो गोली बेच रही है.
She
छोटी
is a
छोटी वाली.
homeopathy
है
doctor.
ना?
That is there. That is there. Yeah.
I think it's fair for her to make halwa.
Sure.
I'm with,
Oh my God.
Don't put this. Don't put this. I think it's so mean to homeopathy doctors. I respect you a lot. Allopathy sucks. I'm a pharmacist. Maybe that's where this edge comes from. Yeah, I
You're a
think
pharmacist.
I've done B-Pharm and all.
Oh, damn.
But does B-Pharm cover homeopathy?
No.
No. I don't think
छोटा
homeopathy
चीनी
has.
छोटा चीनी का balls नहीं
Syrup.
देता.
We used to make
Very
simple
tasty.
syrup. Which
Simple
is the
syrup is sugar.
That's what.
Cocktail वाला.
Homeopathy. Oh my god, don't
But your
put this.
favorite marriage relationship is हम साथ साथ हैं.
No, it's not my favorite.
I think
He
better
said
than
it's
Rahul
better
Anjali.
than Rahul Anjali for sure. कि ठीक है यार, प्रीति को हलवा बनाना
Hot take है
है,
ये.
तब्बू को हाथ पकड़ना है, तो
हाथ पकड़ना पड़ा उसको.
that's
उसको हाथ पकड़ना पड़ा.
Classic Manohar. Yeah.
It was such a
That's not-
cool
It's a very
move.
cool
That
move.
was-
Yeah, I teared up.
I got goosebumps.
I teared up. I properly
I
tear
loved
up when
it.
I watch
I
it.
loved it.
I
My
properly-
favorite I can tell. Very realistic. Sathya. I think that
I
is a
was
very
just
good.
gonna say that I don't like. I love Sathya. Absolutely love. I watch Sathya every year.
So good.
I love it, but I think he's a dick in that. Because he's dancing with Shamita Shetty.
I
He's
just
not.
discussed
अभी
this.
पिछले एपिसोड में
I
ये
just
उसी के बारे में
discussed-
बोल रही थी कि वो फुल ग्राइंड अप मारता है
That's
उसके
too
साथ.
much. I feel
Yeah.
everything else is still realistic.
चोरी पे चोरी.
That's a
चोरी पे
bit
चोरी.
much.
Yeah,
Like,
it's too
एक
much. huh?
डकैती करी उसने और फिर सीना
और
चोरी
सीना
कर रहे हो
चोरी
तुम
हो
लोग
गया
यार.
यार,
Come
what
on,
the hell?
enough.
it's a bit much, Vivek.
Yeah.
But
I like Shahrukh in
Taboo. Shahrukh and Taboo in the same movie.
Sathya.
That
Very
needs
good.
to be a movie, dude.
Like Shahrukh giving up his whole life
Yeah.
for her accident. पागल लड़की.
Yeah.
But I love it. It's
तब्बू कुछ
cute.
भी कर सकती है. मार
That's
सकती है,
yours.
चलेगा.
Yours is this.
Mine is Sathya because I also feel like it's a difference between a wedding and a marriage. I think Sathya shows marriage very
Yes.
well.
Very good.
Lovely, I
ये
love
तूने
that.
बोला.
That's
अभी-
true.
अभी अगले साल पता चलेगा नहीं. Join the
married?
club.
Yeah.
Oh
my God.
Hard launch.
Yeah.
Hard launch. हाँ.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
हाँ, Feb में हो रही है.
Oh my god.
I'm
that
emceeing
also
the
we
I'm
discussed.
emceeing the Sangeet.
Yeah,
Of
yeah. I'm
course you
sorry.
are.
I'm
That's so
sorry,
cool.
Ayush and his
Hard
parents.
launch. Podcast में hard launch
Your
मार
fiance's name is Ayush?
Yeah.
That was my first boyfriend's name.
Oh,
Same guy.
Maybe it's the same.
Same guy. What's his surname?
You know? He's married. Why do I talk about it?
I hope it's not. Yeah. But yeah, I think Sathya is like the difference between a wedding and a marriage, and I really, really appreciate that.
I agree.
Yeah.
Sathya
and
I
it's
really
like
enjoy.
showing fighting, but it's not scaring you from the idea of marriage. It's showing that that's how you progress and understand and communicate better and work.
Yeah.
Full agree on
And
that.
I love the banter also. Gulzar has written such great dialogues. पटना में क्या हो रहा है उसकी बड़ी परवाह है. पत्नी के साथ क्या हो रहा है? वाह पटना पत्नी he has done. I love it. Every time something like this happens.
Even Udi
Yum.
Udi has some very cute moments because it's cutesy, but then they do one striptease dance
Yes.
also.
We'll
Yeah.
pause. Unpause.
Okay, so that's one good rep.
I like
Which
it.
expression were you at? Continuity.
You know, Shanu Sharma is also there in Satya.
Yes.
You're
Yeah,
recognized
she's a
by her,
friend.
ना?
Yeah.
जब वो डोमिनोज के पिज्जास खा रहे होते हैं रात को पार्टी
Yeah,
करते
yeah,
हुए.
yeah.
He's
Station
a
पे
computer startup guy.
He
यार.
she tells him अगर वो आधे घंटे में नहीं आती
तो तू और मैं,
yeah,
she's that
yeah.
funny chick.
Yeah.
yeah. Are you
See, I don't like that. I think he's a little disrespectful to her. So all this is obvious, like okay, marriage
Man
problems
child
or
है वो
whatever.
तो
Yeah.
लिबिडो में शादी कर ली ना.
Ameer
Correct.
भी है, थोड़ा spoiled
So
भी
it's
है.
okay, I guess, to show this in a movie, but I don't think he's a good husband.
Oh,
He
they
will
were
be
also-
though. After
the
the
accident.
film ends, he'll be a very good husband.
Yes, that I agree.
He'll grow up.
But during, I think, even inviting your friends without just
my
informing
God.
her, this madam is a doctor
God, yeah.
and not a homeopathy.
Hey, but people do
Legend.
this happens, you know, in an
Yeah.
early
It's a
marriage.
very realistic.
If you marry someone young,
Share more,
At
Shanu.
you
what
start
time?
laughing.
Share
If you
more.
marry someone young and you've still not done your share of growing up, these kind of mistakes ना कि host कर रहे हो ये तो मेरा space भी है, I'll call my friends over, what if you do these mistakes and you learn it the hard way.
But he didn't learn. He was like, मुझे बांध के रखा है, मुझे torture कर रही हूँ.
But you know, the thing
It
is
was
they're
very,
showing
like-
that
होते हैं fights यार ऐश्वर्या regular लोगों के
she's
होते
like,
हैं.
मेरा सुखी घर है.
ये हलवा बना रही है घर में किसको पता नहीं है ये अपना होम्योपैथी का दवाई लेके हलवा बना रही है She's like, श्रांतु के झगड़े होते हैं श्रेया के साथ trouble in paradise.
No, but also, I feel like what works in Satya is they're showing that as problematic.
Who is problematic?
Vivek Oberoi, when he's
course,
being a
otherwise
brat.
movie
Otherwise,
can't
it
be
doesn't
made,
work.
yeah.
विवेक ओबेरॉय का कैरेक्टर भी प्रॉब्लमेटिक
हाँ,
है.
वो eventually
That's what
arc
अच्छा हम
होता है
उसकी
ना
बात
उसका.
नहीं कर रहे क्या? अच्छा नहीं सॉरी हाँ. जिस तरह
unnecessary.
के Oh.
You know, he's done a cameo in
Dubai,
the sibling. Yeah.
I watched.
I'm a very
watched
big
the Kid One
Tejasvi
Step.
Tejasvi Prakash. I love Tejasvi.
Good
Shut
expression.
up.
Very good expression.
Shut
Yeah.
up.
Babe.
Yesterday, Gorgeous Potato did a very good Karan Kundra reel also.
Yeah?
Yeah, Gorgeous Potato did an amazing Karan Kundra reel.
Nice.
Karan
We
Kundra
watched.
खुद top comment किया कि bro
Oh,
nailed
good
it.
one, good one. good one.
Really?
Yeah.
आख्या मायाक मना गाली जोगन
It ends on a proposal, which is why this makes
Mine
sense.
is John and Vidya.
John and Vidya.
Oh,
She
cute.
loses
Yeah,
her.
Salame Ishq.
lovely.
Salame Ishq. Very good
nice.
story. Very dramatic. Very dramatic love. She loses her memory. He tries it, and they don't have family support also, na? Because it's some inter-religion or whatever. So family.
Yeah,
has-
they are quite isolated.
it's an isolated couple with no familial support,
Yeah.
and she loses. Imagine the only person you have in your mind forgets who you are.
Scary.
And he spends the whole film trying to get her to remember who he is and who they are to each other. And she doesn't remember, but she just falls in love with a man trying so hard to jog her memory by the end of it.
So sweet.
हाँ अब करो तुम लोग अपनी राहुल अंजलि चैचे feels तो भाई लेगा.
John
I
Abraham.
ruined it by saying feels तो भाई लेगा at the end.
No, this
John.
is so true. Yeah,
The
John.
song.
The thing is, this is such a niche thing. In
Yeah.
one movie with 6 couples, you have taken one
Yeah.
couple. I'm
Yeah.
thinking ऊपर से मेरे दिमाग में क्या आ रहा था.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
वैसा.
Yeah,
But I
बंदे में
think
depth
good
है.
marriage. Okay, this might be a little controversial, but I like रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. Them as a couple.
Which one? Raj or Surinder Paji? Which one?
I like Surinder.
There are two, na?
Suri is cute too.
Suri is cute.
Yeah.
I
He's
like
cute too.
Suri. I don't like Raj. I think Raj only I don't like.
Yeah.
You
हम
need
में
Raj in
राही
the
प्यार
sheets.
के.
Raj in the sheets, Suri by day. Suri by day, Raj by night. Come on.
Yeah.
Honestly-
Yeah, you're being very real right now. Yeah.
Just one little.
Yeah.
This guy. And सुबह सुबह
Bread toast खा रहा है
मैं
cute.
काम पे चला वापस आ रहा है टाइट स्किनी जीन्स के तुझमें फक
सब
दिखता
होना
है
चाहिए, सब होना चाहिए. तुझ में चाहिए यार.
I like it. I really like it. I genuinely, that is such a healthy marriage because there's so much happening, like
Yeah.
so much masti because of Raj, and there's so much stability.
so
because
much
of
hole
Suri.
hole in the day
Yeah.
and
And
chance
the
पे
post-
dance at night.
Yes.
The
Oh,
post credit in
lovely.
Rabne is very cute. Yeah.
So cute, them
Yeah,
going to
the
Japan.
pictures and all, it's very
Oh,
cute. It's a proper
lovely.
marriage.
I
They're
saw it
fully
5
a
times in the
relationship.
theatre.
Oh, wow. That's
When I was in, no, because I was doing engineering, I wasn't attending classes. I was about to drop out of college. So, first college. Only college I dropped out of. Then I got an education, but long story. I went 5 times to watch Rabne Badani Jodi. And then I also like, you know how you see a romance and you like it and you're single,
Yes.
then you'll apply. So I found the closest Stani partner and fully like Like nothing. I never even spoke to her, but she just reminded me of a Tani partner. So I fully had a silent crush because of RB.
And that's Shreya?
Yeah. It
No,
better
no.
be.
She I met in second college. When I went after that to DU, then I met and then we.
All has
immediately-
gone away. I thought you were talking about your wife.
Yeah,
Now
that was
like दूसरी
such a
औरत.
nice post-credit scene. Yeah.
No, no.
Don't talk about दूसरी औरत. Not allowed. You
At
have to
all.
forget everyone.
Like 4 years, 3 years before I met Shreya, also I'm not allowed to
You
talk.
were not
She's
truly
full
alive.
briefed me.
You
She's
were
like,
not
you know,
truly
you will
alive.
not. तू अपनी बीवी के बारे में ही बात करेगा. You will not talk about any other.
I agree.
Then?
What?
Sorry. Like,
Yeah.
You know, they hold hands when they drink.
Only when we drink.
When they drink, like they fully like
why is that a
crisscross.
problem?
Yeah. I think you like it. Pinky.
No,
I feel it. I get it.
shame.
I
Yeah,
get
sorry,
the-
Shreya, sorry. Huh. But I have one more question. So, like, you know how movies inform what you think of what a wedding should be?
Yes.
What are your first few, like, inspirational images of, like, wedding aisi honi chahiye, if at all? Did you all have that at all growing up?
Wedding ऐसी होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, like, ye jawani hai
Not a
diwani
Wedding
is
or
fun.
marriage?
Wedding.
Wedding.
Wedding ऐसी
The
होनी चाहिए.
party, the actual fera vera. You all had any moment where you also were like, so nice. This I like.
YGHD?
YGHD.
I mean, I think that's the most grand and
Yeah.
the least tacky wedding.
The Sangeet was
Udaipur
fun
wala.
looking.
You're talking about Kunal Roy Kapoor's wedding and Kalki's
Yes.
Kalki,
wedding.
Kalki.
I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
in
yeah.
terms of aesthetics, that's
Yeah.
it.
Oh, Udaipur.
Otherwise,
still fun.
otherwise, of course, we'll have opinions
Rich
about
Udaipur. Rich Udaipur.
Rich Udaipur, ekdam like very classy.
Yeah.
You know, nobody is. I don't know. Like Deepika is too hot in that.
Yeah, man.
Also, there's like so much empty free space.
In
People
the
are playing
midriff. Longest midriff.
Yeah,
Award
Desi
goes
wali
to-
girl, Delhi wali
वहाँ
girl.
पे
Pink
पूरा
blouse, the
एक
yellow
4 BHK
skirt.
लगा सकते हो वो इतना लंबा यहाँ तक it's like starts the whole human you can fit.
Are we okay to talk about Deepika's torso like this?
She's
After
worked
being
hard
married
for
like
it,
this,
yeah.
we should talk
We
about
can
it.
talk
No, I
about
feel
it.
like I've discussed Shreya and I've discussed this.
The torso has been
तो ये
discussed.
सब अपने घर पे करो ठीक है माइक पे आके मत करो दीपिका का torso
Deepika ka
Talk
torso
about
why can't we
Ranbir.
discuss?
Yeah, yeah.
About
we can.
Ranbir.
Ranbir I don't like but no.
Huh. But ye
yeah,
Jawani
no,
Hai
I'm
Diwani
just saying
vibe.
strictly aesthetic wise in terms of oh wow what a great I would like to have a wedding which was this fun where all friends are hanging out there's
Yeah.
sharabe going on
Yeah, yeah,
there's
yeah.
you know
Sharabe.
Yeah. I would like
एक
to have
गाने
a
के
wedding,
बाद-
she has said.
हाँ, another.
No,
Shashti
but-
Purti. Shashti Purti.
now my parents का षष्ठी पूर्ति is happening their wedding we'll do it.
शराबे चला देना षष्ठी पूर्ति पे. That's just-
But you did what Sangeet mein particular songs and all in your wedding
Yes,
also.
yes.
Which ones you did?
I did Air Udi Udi. My solo was Air Udi
Love
Udi, Payalya, and Air Nazani Suno Na.
Very
Oh,
sensual.
very unusual choice.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
hey, Udi is quite.
Very
Sorry,
sensual.
Air Udi Udi I did with him.
Okay, okay. okay.
I didn't do
रात को.
alone. Sorry.
Post संगीत शराबे जब चल रही थी. I don't know
But
what bhai
unusual,
came.
no? Because I feel like everyone does Nach De Re Sare and like there are
Yeah, I
certain
didn't
very
want to do
good one, good
the
call.
songs that everybody
That
does.
Rohan
Even
Joshi
though I
has
love
danced on.
them.
Nach De Re
Yes.
Sare.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
don't want to dance on a song Rohan Joshi has danced on at his Sangeet. He's
don't-
also there, no? Piche.
I don't mind him.
Yeah,
I
also
think
like.
he's a nice
Who's here
guy.
only.
Yeah, where what?
He's a nice- yeah. You know him or what?
Rohan Joshi?
Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
That guy.
I
Your
think
friend
I've seen
knows.
it.
You did in your wedding, Sangeet?
Yeah, I danced on Joom Barabar Joom.
Oh, interesting.
हाँ,
That was the last
But the
song.
Marigold Hotel wala, best exotic Marigold Hotel wala. It's like a shorter one, like Dev Patel. Oh, masti mein
Oh,
sabju.
but you danced with
Dave
Shreya.
Patel.
No, just boys danced and
Oh, like
girls
a
danced
man, boy
separately.
da- okay, okay,
We
okay,
did a very like boys ka dance,
We
girls
did
ka
family versus family on this song.
Oh,
Like
damn.
all the girls
Like
side on one side, boys side on one
Boys,
side.
my family, no one danced.
competitive. Oh.
Yeah, very South Indian at their way.
I'm also South Indian.
Yeah.
But for the wedding, I couldn't mobilize.
Really?
Hmm.
You couldn't mobilize.
Correct. Imagine.
Then too very strict.
Yeah.
house
I think you
owners.
just
Not
wanted a
just
moment.
very
Now you
shy.
wanted to dance alone.
And then I did the that song. What is that?
Simba.
नहीं यार रणवीर सिंह जो
Dil dhadka
हाँ.
That's Simba only.
Yeah, that's Simba.
That's not Simba.
Simba
That's
is Ranveer
Simba.
Singh.
Simba.
Both of you are saying the same thing. Ranveer Singh, Simba. Yes.
हाँ बोल दो guys it's Simba.
Sorry.
Stop
sorry.
it, yaar, Adil.
Sorry. Okay, fine.
बेवकूफ.
Let's
पता ही
get
नहीं
back to
कुछ.
love. The concept
Yeah,
of love.
sorry.
So basically, okay, we've discussed movie that we love.
No,
you
no,
said,
Shadi.
You said too.
Aesthetic wedding.
हाँ aesthetic wedding है.
Minus
तू ही
Ye
बोल.
Jawani only.
Right?
Yeah. It's
Aesthetic
like a
wed-
rich...
See, if we had to
Yeah.
talk about wedding, which was which was my introduction to wedding would be Hum Saath Saath Hai, Hum
Of
Aapke
course.
Hai
Correct.
Kaun,
Of
all
Yeah,
those
big,
things.
best ones.
Ki oh lovely, 18 minute ke sangeet ho
Fun,
rahe.
so many cousins
Only
and all of that.
family.
Very
Yeah, you know,
No
Radhe
one has
ka ke
friends.
daddies are. I wanted.
You
कि
wanted
भाई
to be
मेरा
introduced like
मेरा
that.
पति राधिका का डैडी हो.
good. Mahesh Thakur. Very.
Adarsh Babu.
Darling.
Babu. Have you
तुम्हारा
seen
है
that?
ज़माना
Yes.
मेरा।
Which was, have you seen that scene जहाँ पे वो मिठाई नहीं खा पा
हाँ
रहा?
यार वो कितना
Huh?
it went
Oh,
so
that
viral.
reel. Yeah.
You feel so bad for him.
Yeah.
And you know, he's such a good actor. The second time he can't do it, he does
does
a
this.
चलो
Yeah,
यार,
yeah,
चलो
he
गया
does
तो
that.
गया तो
But
गया
also
यार.
actually huge props. Yeah, they really made certain rituals a key part of weddings, like jute chorana.
Correct.
All of that is a very like Rajshri
Pop
informed
culture
idea
defining.
of completely
Culture
pop culture.
defining.
Or like the younger sister has to be the chulbuli sister who's like, I will do all the play, fun and games.
Your
I mean,
younger
that's
sister.
not-
Yeah, which I'm not like
You're
that.
not chulbuli at all.
Yeah, that's not like a key integral part of our
It's a
life.
younger
and-
Yeah,
sister
why
doesn't
do they
have to
put
be
the burden
chulbuli.
on us to do this? Because even Karishma Kapoor is the youngest in Hum Saath Saath Hai, and she's the chulbuli one for some
Karishma
reason.
Kapoor does not have any other sisters.
But she's the
No,
youngest.
youngest bahu, na?
The youngest one
only
has
the
to
youngest.
have. Yeah.
Karishma is
Youngest
Yeah,
Sadashiv
that's
Sadashiv
one
Amrapurkar की
dimension.
बेटी.
One dimension character.
Lolo.
Chi-chi.
Hey.
Chi-chi as in, like, that character was Chi-chi.
Yeah, he was greedy. He was a greedy man.
Yeah,
I love when he has to distribute the the
He's
pedas
so upset.
to-
He has fever.
Yes, he has to put the.
You know that scene where he's giving, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Satish
Yeah.
Shah
I
does
get-
good justice to him.
Like, I properly feel a lot of hate towards him and those 3 bitches.
Of course.
So I feel like...
What
I
about
actually
Moon?
like the
No.
3 women.
What are you saying?
वो the
They're not as
three
bad,
kids
yeah.
play them in the
Yeah,
scene.
They're
ना?
not that bad.
What?
I feel like
She
they're
always
Always
does
on
this.
contrarian
Yeah,
opinions of the
ये इसका हाथ पकड़ के यूं पोंछ लो हाथ यही करती है हमेशा कुछ कुनिका fans she's triggering
unnecessary little
कुनिका
bit.
Sadanand fans come in
Come on, dude.
you know she started with Taboo is a bad person in
I
Hum
didn't say
Saath
bad
Saath Hai.
person. I said respect her for the right reasons. I didn't say bad person.
she's manipulative in Hum
She's
Saath Saath Hai.
what?
What my argument,
Samjha?
guys, please,
Kamsha.
I was very good at this. I articulated very well.
Bol.
What I'm saying is women in a joint family have certain tools that they can access, right? One of them is to come across as more sanskari than they are because that's how you get respect. She's doing that in the movie.
it's called patriarchal
What are you
bargaining
saying?
what are you saying it's such a good
One
answer
sec. When she's
what
there-
are you saying
You said the same thing. Where do you want to go for honeymoon? She says Rampur Chali. You think that's coming from her heart or what? She's
Could
not.
be.
Come
Look at
on.
her, dude. Look at
Rampur
her.
Chale, she
Okay,
wants
let
to
me give
do.
you some context. I am that girl. I was.
Yes.
Aishwarya.
I grew up being so inspired by these movies.
Oh.
I really believed that sanskar is the whole game.
Game. That's
like-
exactly what I'm saying.
game is the name
Yeah, like sanskar is the whole thing on
It's the way
which
to
a
be a
marriage
person.
is built or a woman. For example, when I was dating this Ayush guy, we were in
Really
9th
pointed.
standard. Yeah,
Same guy.
not your Ayush. But Ayush, we were in 9th standard and we were in a drama together. And all parents have come to watch this drama. Now, I'm meeting his parents for the first
who
time.
touched his
Why you're taking my
There's more.
stuff?
I think there's more.
So I have gone, I have said, hi uncle, hi.
she did
I did that. I fucking did that at 9th standard. My parents' feet I've never touched. But here I've gone
reflex.
and touched this man.
good one yaar
They also stepped back. They were like, yo, what's up? I
हमारा
just...
13 साल के
Relax.
बेटा बहू क्यों ला रहा है हमारे
Relax.
घर?
Yeah, it
Monica,
was, and
what
I've
was
never
that?
met them before. They obviously don't know of my existence. But
Yeah.
this is a very vivid memory in my head. And I kind of like feel thoda
Sure,
when I
sure.
think about it. But I grew up thinking ki yes, Rampur is where I want to go.
I want that also. I want that. Yeah.
So I
want
feel
Rampur.
ki it is probable or possible that there are some women who want to go to Rampur for their
I think
honeymoon.
you do
bad
that.
girl.
No, I think you
You're
do
a
that.
bad girl. That's what it is. You're a bad girl.
I'm supposed to feel bad about this.
Yeah.
I'm Suman Ranganathan.
You're the Suman Ranganathan. You will
Suman
say
Ranganathan.
of Bagban, you know how she's like
Bagban
मम्मी पापा को अलग कर दें.
Suman said that or
All of
Divya
them.
Datta
All of
said
them
it?
collectively
All the
decided, but the
daughter-in-laws are
only
evil
woman
and
we
terrible,
remember.
no? That's
Suman is Aman's wife.
Aman's
Yeah.
wife.
Oh.
Rhyming casting.
He really got above his league in that movie.
Aman?
yeah. Suman's quite
Aman got,
Yeah,
Aman is a character.
There's
I
a-
don't think that Rampur... Yeah, I agree that Rampur Chale is a bit much. Like
Yeah.
now you'll roll your eyes. But I don't think it was performative.
Really?
That's what I believe.
I think that it's so internalized that she doesn't know it's performative, and that's why. it
And that's
works.
not her fault then.
No, of course not. It's
But
not
if
her fault.
we can't call her
it's
a bitch.
It's never.
Yeah, it's not her
It's
fault.
Adarsh Babu who is the problem
Bad
in this
girl.
situation.
Bad. I'm so happy. Oh.
But tell me, like, in love, the idea of love, let's get back to no hate for Hum Saath Aate Hain. I love Hum Saath Aate Hain.
Haan.
But in the idea of love, like, what do you think movies taught you about love?
This is what sanskar.
Other-
The girl needs to be really demure. The girl needs to. For
Pooja.
example, my favorite movie growing up was BB Number One.
One of my
Which is
favorites.
so
Just
weird.
One of my favorites.
You want to sit on
But
each
I'm
other
fully
and
team
have the rest
Sushmita in
of this
that.
conversation.
No, but I was Team Pooja growing up. Growing up, as an 8-year-old, first of all, you should not be allowed to
Yeah,
watch
why you
BB
watching?
Number One.
Yeah, why
I
were
have
you-
watched it so many times.
Yeah.
Star Gold, BB Number One, all the time. I know everything.
Same.
Koi bole mujhe, hello, hello, handsome.
Handsome.
Lovely. Lovely. Beautiful. This is the movie I grew up watching, and I really thought that this is the woman that I need to be, which is Pooja, wears a sari.
But can be haughty.
Very, yeah,
Hmm.
it's very skinny. So, I mean, but like, looks after his mother, children,
Kutta.
doesn't have her own identity.
Yeah.
Everything is attached to this man, gives him dabba, does this, does that, and blah, blah, blah. And then he will cheat on you with Sushmita Sen. Okay?
Fair
and
enough.
I had like a slight bias against Sushmita because my name is Aishwarya.
Oh.
Which is so stupid, but in
Yeah.
my head I was like, Aishwarya deserved to be Miss Universe.
Were they even?
They were competing in the
You
same
like Diaz?
competition.
What's your opinion on Diaz?
Dia, PC, Lara.
Jo
वो
Asia
same-
Pacific
No,
वगैरह?
that and all I don't care because my name is
Name,
Aishwarya.
name,
So
name.
that is where my
Aishwarya
whole
Sushmita.
struggle comes
There's
with.
someone I saw on Instagram called Aishwarya Sushmita the other day.
Like first name
Her
Aishwarya,
name is
second
Aishwarya
name
First name is
Sushmita.
Sushmita. हाँ.
Interesting.
Second name.
Parents were not
Really, they were
consensus
obsessed.
was not there
Yeah.
between.
But yeah, so for me, that whole bias against Sushmita was anyway there कि other woman कैसी
Yeah,
तो है.
yeah.
And then in the end, she tells him कि भाई तू तो annoying है, निकल जा यार, मैं नहीं handle कर सकती तेरे को. And he comes back, गिड़गिड़ाओस, and then she takes him back. And
In
I'm
an
like, that's
instant.
how marriage is supposed to be.
that's marriage.
That's what life is.
Acceptance.
अब वापस उसके पास तो नहीं जाओगे
And on the contrary, my parents have a very good marriage. मेरे घर पे अच्छा marriage चल रहा है, but I'm not looking at
But
that.
you don't want that. You want something else in the movies. From life, what you're taking
But
away
as
is
an
not what
8-year-old,
घर पे
why
है.
do I want anything
Yeah.
from
Correct.
anything?
From any, yeah.
Yeah.
But I have grown up thinking that this is how all movies, if you see, like even Dil To Pagal Hai, this
God.
woman, you know, he
Maya.
wants Maya. He
Who
wants
is this person?
one fucking fictional woman.
She comes पूरनमाशी की रात पे जब Valentine's Day होता है. She appears at
White
12.
color का घाघरा
Like
पहन
स्त्री
के
की
दुपट्टा
तरह
में।
आरे कॉलोनी में
And she
उल्टे पैर
wears,
के
you know,
साथ
those
माया.
bra tops, but like
Yeah,
dupatta.
this is what she's wearing.
माया.
We are trying to be Pooja in life. That's true.
Green
yeah,
slopes.
all girls
And
are
dude,
trying
she
to be
comes,
Pooja.
comes, who is sanskari, who
Yeah,
wears
yeah.
this low-cut blouse, who teaches dance to children,
Yeah.
who dances Kathak and all, and he sees her and he's like, I want Maya.
Yeah.
भाई इतनी सही बंदी मिल गई तेको अभी भी तेको पूजा में
No,
रास
no,
नहीं
that's
है.
the thespian in him, guys. वो theater director. It's not about what he wants to smash. It's about the art that he wants to create. He's okay with dating Pooja, but he wants to stage Maya.
But Pooja Maya, same
पूजा
person,
माया
guys.
same
वही
people
तो बोल रहा
yeah.
हूँ.
It takes him time to
वो तो
realize
सूरी राज
that.
भी अलग लोग हैं
It
ना.
takes
Like
him
I'm
time
saying,
to realize that, I feel like. Because he's just generally, he's not
he
the kind of
doesn't
person
want
who's
Maya to
understanding.
marry. He wants Maya on his stage
No,
show.
but the way he talks about Maya,
अलग लड़की है,
अलग
you know?
लड़की है, वो
It
सबसे
has to be
अलग
It's
है,
how
वो जो-
Imtiaz Ali must be describing Geet to Karina.
वो सबसे अलग है. Geet
Whimsical.
is the most stereotypical
But
woman.
like he'll be doing that. यार वो अलग है यार वो अपना.
But Geet is every
Karina, she
girl.
speaks her mind.
all of us are Geet.
Yeah,
at
every
some. I
girl
don't
is
think
Geet.
you- yeah.
I'm
not-
also Geet little bit, I think.
Yeah, everybody is Geet. Gender
Little तो मैं भी
non-conformity.
हूँ, ऐसा तो मैं- excluding me every time any girl is coming on podcast. Every time you're now holding
make me feel bad. It's easy
you
for me to
forget
feel
your
bad.
main friend
No,
every
no.
time. No, shut up. यार. Stupid.
Okay, so we...
Looking at that also was support. कि फोटो में से कोई आगे
बोलो
बढ़-
भाई.
गीत निकलेगी उसमें
फोगाट
से।
साहब, फोगाट साहब
When you
आया।
see some movies, do you feel like I wish this guy was my husband, or you're like I wish this guy was my wife, like a character
was my
who would
wife.
make for a good husband, a character who would make a good husband.
Sure.
Yeah, see.
नहीं मैं sure I'm to your
Oh.
question. तुम
Oh.
लोग बोलो पहले मैं
I
सोचूंगा.
think Swades ka Mohan would make a very good
Oh, my
husband. huh?
husband.
Very good husband he would make.
Gayatri Joshi, lucky woman. यार,
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. Very good
Yeah.
husband material. Yeah.
I really
Too
like.
excited
है ना?
I got.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
think
sure.
he's. I think
Casual.
he's. Yeah, he's nice. There's also like a lot of like proper conversations and there's banter.
Yes.
It's not very like
Yes.
yeah, he's maybe one of the Shah Rukh characters that I actually like.
Zara dekho
Yeah, and in that
tumhara
scene, he's smoking and she looks at him, don't smoke, and he drops it.
No,
No,
first he does
he
a
does
fake out.
this,
First he
and
does
then
a
he
fake
does
out, pulls it back,
And
then
then
he
he
does the
drops
play.
it. Oof!
I love it.
Oof! Jizz.
सुनो जरा जिज
Yeah,
इस
it's a
बार
jizz.
ना
It's a jizz
जिज
moment.
जिज ही बोल रहे हैं आप
It's
सीधे
a full moment, that scene. Yeah.
100%.
Great husband material.
Gayatri Joshi also they have one very sensual. She tucks his lungi in.
Yeah,
And he
yeah,
gets
yeah.
very like,
and she's making crazy eye contact with him in that.
I really miss.
Yeah.
Miss क्या मतलब एक ही movie करा. I
She
think
didn't
it's
come
a
enough.
sad thing that she didn't do anything
Once
else.
she has, once he drinks water from that kullad on the train,
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
what a
she's
scene.
done. When he comes back and cries,
Oh,
she's in love.
yeah.
Defo-
Who wouldn't
defo
be?
smash after that.
Who wouldn't?
Defo
Yes,
smash.
dude, one full chandan kumkum and all like all the masala का डब्बा ही.
So good.
मैं नहीं
वाह.
मानता कि हमारा देश दुनिया का सबसे बेहतरीन देश है एंड यू कैन सी गायत्री जोशी ऑन द साइड जस्ट अनबटनिंग भाई ये आ गया भाई ये लाइन पे आ गया इसको मैंने सिखा दिया जो सिखाना था अब बर्गर पीजे बंद अब से इसके अब रोटियां खाएगा ये आदमी
मसाले तो है ही वैसे.
वापस भेजो इसकी वैनिटी मैन जिसमें आया है ये
in a like in terms of a marriage, another realistic, not aspirational, realistic was Anil Kapoor and Shefali Shah and Dil Dhadakne Do. I thought was very real. Yeah.
aspirational?
No,
Not
realistic.
aspirational at all.
I want to be Anil
I want to
Kapoor.
be Sheila.
I want to fucking stuff my face with that cake.
King just crying this is my filmfare moment
But you know when they have that moment where they talk eventually where he's like, I'm really sorry for the things that I did. That's a different kind
So
of
half-assed.
acceptance. Yeah.
Yuck, it
I don't
was.
It's
remember
them and
this.
him, of
Yeah.
course.
he apologizes
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
He comes and
They're
doesn't even
sitting
look
in
at
the
her. I
room.
think I'm
They're
sorry.
sitting in the room.
And
Yeah.
this is after he's been a mard to Rahul Bose
Yes,
na
yes,
very
yes,
bad को हाथ लगाएगा
yes, yes. I thought that was real, yeah. Like they've been together for let's say 30 years, and there's only so much that a sorry would do, right? He needs to change his actions. My assumption and hope is in the what we don't see in the movie would
but
be that he's
again,
a
this
changed
is
person.
realistic. But
Yeah.
in terms of aspiration,
Not at all.
aspirational I want Raj in Kaho Na Pyar Hai and Amisha Patel
Oh,
the
husband.
second Ritik
Huh. Rich
and
also.
Amisha
He's
I would
rich.
like to be that Raj where I'm just living my life in New York I'm just having a good time
New Zealand.
Yeah.
or something.
New Zealand, and this girl comes with all this sadness in her life
And salwar kameez in a club.
some type
Sonia.
of my dead doppelganger bandi, and just by virtue of my face, she will fall in love
She's
with me.
fallen in love.
I can go decode a mystery in India. I'll get a girlfriend out of it. I'll
I
buy-
can do a stage performance, dude. First time. And
Are you
sit down-
ready?
गाना भी आता
Can
है.
you feel it?
Oh, wow, dude.
Then let's go for it. Ting, 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 ting,
But you're
ting.
not saying which. Who would you want as your wife?
I want Raj and Amisha.
Wife. You want
I
Amisha
like
Patel to be your
Amisha
wife.
Patel.
You want Sonia to be your wife.
Sonia would be nice.
कुछ भी हो
in
saying,
the
huh?
universe
Okay,
of
fine.
Bollywood
Ideal,
movies.
ideal wife. Ideal couple, you're saying.
Wife.
No ideal wife.
I'm
Wife.
saying I want Mohan to be my husband. Who would you want to be your
Oh,
wife?
I would like a Gayatri Joshi only, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
He was
okay.
nice. I
Stealing
like Gayatri
mine,
Joshi
yeah.
a lot,
Okay,
like good school
You'll
teacher.
go live in a
working
village and all. You'll do all that.
No, I'd convince her to come to US.
That's disgusting.
You wouldn't
don't
be
change
able
I hate
her.
Kaveri Amma.
I love
So
Kaveri Amma.
manipulative.
What are we doing here?
Yeah, I don't. I slap him.
What is
Nonsense.
Kaveri Amma? Kind of annoying, right?
Why?
Worst
love
actor
her.
in the film.
Not at all. What the
ये
fuck?
मैंने सोच के रखा था कि मैं मोहन को लेके आऊंगी इधर पे.
So just because she's South Indian,
Yeah,
she's
I
not
can say it.
actor.
I can say it.
You can't.
Dhanush in Hindi movies, I'll say it. Bad.
But Dhanush was a South Indian in Ranjana.
Still no. He was Murari. He was
He was
Bihari.
not South
No, no, no.
Indian.
हाँ,
He-
they
he's
Tamil
a
Brahmin
South-
settled there.
yeah.
There's some Tamil Brahmin
Okay,
situation.
okay.
There
They had
is.
they put that in.
They
Not
put
in the
that
second one.
realistic.
Not in the.
Yeah.
You want Yeah.
That-
So you want to be married to Gayatri?
I like. Okay, fine. I'll level with you. I think Bittu and this one in Band Baja Barat were a crackling couple.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
want
I would
her-
like that.
Yeah.
Spa, like crackling couple. Great chemistry, great this thing, fall in love,
100%.
right amount of drama, and are going to build a beautiful life together, working together, and loving together.
They would eventually have a
tell you-
Made in Heaven
Sorry.
episode. Sorry.
No, can I tell you one which is very recent, but I really enjoy is Sir.
Of course, brilliant.
Okay, and in that the guy,
Gumbar, Vivek
Yeah,
Gumbar.
yeah.
I think
One of the
that
best.
kind of guy would be really.
Oh, dude, won. She won the answer. This is the best answer.
Like your employer.
Why I have have to be her?
This is,
Why the fuck do I
I don't
have
know
to
what's
be her?
happening. We're talking about it from the POV of their partner. No. Oh no, you're picking
Arey,
that
the character we
That
want.
character.
Good
मैं
husband
समझ गया.
traits.
I thought you were doing like I want to be like a.
It's a
Help.
great.
No, I'm
yeah.
talking about that character. I think he was. I think he's really open to learning.
Oh my God,
Which is
yeah.
so important.
He's also kind without it being in your face.
Yes.
Which is very rare. It's a
So,
rare quality.
yeah,
मेरे
very
देखना-
true.
देखना
Yeah.
पड़ेगा. I don't have to.
You haven't seen Sir?
You've not seen
It's a
Sir?
very good, very good.
Dude, Sir, there's this one
No, please
scene.
call me Shantanu.
Yeah. Gee, gee, gee.
And I've not seen what? What are you talking about? नाम से बुला मुझे.
Nice,
Correct
good one, huh?
response.
But yeah, I think that one scene in which they are in the lift, they come
Yeah.
together, that
Yeah.
full tension, and then they come up, and
Yeah.
she's going into the kitchen, she comes out, and then they kiss.
Man, I literally, I'm not joking, I got goosebumps.
कराया नहीं,
bet.
बाल नहीं हटा. होंगे भाई.
Yeah. No, Sir is a great one.
So
Good
I
husband.
really like
Okay, I have
him.
to watch Sir then.
Good husband
You
material.
must.
Yeah.
You must. I keep rewatching.
Yeah.
Now it's on Prime also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely.
I have to ask Aishwarya this. I don't know if she'll answer. But you liked Sayyara, what? I'm thinking recent romantic love movies.
I watched it in the theater once.
Huh.
I enjoyed.
Okay. Can
Same.
you tell me what?
Same.
Can you
Same.
can you decode what is the love in Sayyara? What does it represent? What kind of love is
तूने
it?
See,
समझे
now
भी.
the thing
I
is,
want to
after we have
understand.
talked about Sir,
Huh.
and then you come and you're like, now describe Sayara, explain how you like
You know why she's doing it? Because she doesn't like Sayara. We constantly fight about this. So every time new person comes, she's
I
like,
just want
she's
to
looking
understand.
and everyone is coming and saying, we also like Sayara. So she's alone.
I'm genuinely asking out of curiosity. I
Pandey
want to
jealousy.
understand.
I don't know if you are being sarcastic about the Pandey love or no.
I like Ahan Pandey
Genuinely.
a lot.
This
You
is
like?
not a bit you're
My
doing.
favorite Pandey.
No, this is
It's
this
not
a
a
bit.
bit. She knows this. It's not
Yeah,
a...
he really likes.
Kha kasam.
Kasam.
He likes,
Faida
he
karne
likes,
wali
he
ki.
likes.
I like Ahan Pandey. I
He'll
like
say
Anik
this, he'll
Padda.
say.
I like that Mohit Suri aesthetic. It's like my type of love story.
You like
I
them.
didn't like any other Mohit Suri movie.
My
to be
favorite
honest.
love, the person my favorite love story is actually Awara Punch, Shriya Saran and Imran Hashmi.
I've never
Shriya
watched
close enough to
Awara.
Shriya
Even I haven't
also.
seen it. And it's not available on anywhere.
Yeah,
on
because
OTT
they're
to
holding
watch.
on to it. They're not licensing
Yeah.
it because 2 is going to come out on Independence Day, so they'll re-release it in
Do
theaters.
you think movies that have death make for better love stories? Because there's like, the stakes are high, right? Like someone died and you're loving them beyond the grave. It's like...
Oh, like that, Sanam
Yeah,
Teri Kasam
like
types.
rock star.
Harshvardhan Rane.
One sec,
Harshvardhan
pause.
Rane.
One
So, yeah,
second.
she
The
knows.
name that she has come up with
Radhika
is
Rao
Sanam
Vinay
Teri
Sapno. Come on,
Kasam.
yeah.
Only
I
movie
have
I
no
could
words.
think of.
Ashiki 2.
Ashiki 2.
But
See, again,
this is the best
Ashiki
one
2.
of the exam. She gave the best
Sanam
example.
Teri Kasam.
Yeah, this is the
Urvashi
best. This is the
Rautela,
gold
right?
standard. No.
Yeah.
No.
No,
That is
that's-
Sanam.
that-
That is.
that's Sanam Ray.
Okay,
Sanam
my
Ray.
bad.
That's
What
Sanam
is
Ray.
Sanam
She's
Teri
from
Kasam? Can you
Harshvardhan
explain?
Rane and Mavra
Okay,
Hossain.
okay,
To
okay.
खींच
The recent
मेरी
one, the
photo,
recent one.
to
Yeah,
खींच मेरी
yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
And that is not a bad representation of South Indian. Huh?
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 What happened?
Huh?
क्या हुआ?
Huh?
Hey?
I'm so lost
What
about
happened?
this. I have no idea
क्या
what
हुआ?
you're doing
किसे
right
हुआ?
now.
You're talking to me? Call me sir. Mavra Hossain is South Indian in that, no?
And is it not? That's father also, Mukul Chadda. No. What is
Not
his name?
Mukul Chadda.
I interchange them.
Other fellow.
Yeah.
Other fellow.
But you get it. See, he's the one in Band Baja Bharat who plays
friend.
the dad.
Oh.
The last richest dad जिसकी
Got it,
बेटी की
got
शादी
it.
में
शाहरुख
शाहरुख
खान
खान
डांस
His
करने
name is
वाला है.
Manish Chaudhary.
He's come in many movies.
beautiful
He's
yeah
in
Kartavya mein he's
Good
Saif
one.
Ali Khan's
Jinx.
boss.
Yeah,
Good one.
he is. He's
Title
very
marketing.
evil and
Title marketing for free.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kartavya you've gone way beyond my
You've not seen Kartavya?
how I'll see Kartavya isn't it 1950s or
अबे अभी it sounds
is
like a kind of
Kartavya?
movie.
Saif Ali Khan new
अभी
movie.
अभी अभी जो आई जहाँ पे
Great
वो
politics, good film, nice movie.
I saw one person acting really badly in it through memes and then I was like I don't want to watch it.
Lalan, apna Lalan. Lalan Bottom. Sometimes.
I don't
Lalan
want to
Power
name
Bottom.
people like this dude
हो
Chi-chi,
गया
like
इसमें.
नहीं, she doesn't want to name Saurabh Dwivedi. He's a bad actor. तो नहीं करेंगे हम Saurabh Dwivedi. He's a terrible actor को name. And उसके और भी reels चल रहे हैं ना, where he's talking about Swanand Kirkire as an actor.
Yeah.
And he's like, वो ठीक है, मैं कहूँगा average type का actor है. And all
Yeah,
he's
that's
saying in one.
insane, dude.
And it's like,
Guts.
very
Guts.
bad.
I think
Guts.
critics should never become actors. You be
Oh.
strong critics.
Yeah.
Like ekdam hate, be full like. But someday Rajiv Masan starts acting.
Hey, he'll be great.
I would watch that.
He'll be so cute.
Anupama
His
Chopra would
episode
also be
comes
cute.
before or after.
He's his first. We are opening with him.
He would be good. I
You
feel
are
like.
biggest guest, but he's our most movie related best person.
Most embedded in cinema.
Most,
is what
embedded in cinema.
Yeah. But okay, one sec. I was asking Sayyara. You all have not explained. You all have said it's beyond my
It's a feeling,
understanding,
yaar, tu
what?
nahi
It's a
samjhi.
I
feeling,
cried in
tu
the
nahi
end, and
samjhi.
that's all
I
I care
cried.
about.
That's the benchmark. Then I cry in everything. I cried in Sayyara. But I
Then
didn't like it.
why? Then what? I
Oh.
feel you should go with the emotion. For example, I don't give a fuck about Veer Zara.
I was just going to say I should.
Yes. देखा ही नहीं है. I never get past हम तो भाई जैसे.
You know, I journaled about this. I journaled
I
about
can't
this.
get-
You journal about what? Veer
Veer
Zara?
and why I like it because I wanted to explain my stance.
मेरे को?
I'll tell you, yeah, fucking.
To me, she
yeah.
was-
See, one clear angle is it's a unifying movie, which I love and respect.
Oh,
but the
bhai.
actual real thing is, I'll tell you, there's a difference between Sayyara, Ashiki, and Veer Zara. Veer Zara is a separate category. I'll
We were
explain
never
why.
confused about
I'll
that.
explain why. I feel like
Sayyara Veer Zara. अच्छा अलग है.
No,
I'll
like I
explain.
would probably pick a Sayyara over Veer Zara.
No,
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
you guys.
I don't. The thing is, I love Shah Rukh and his movies. I have watched Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam multiple
Love
times.
it.
One of my
Good
favorites.
marriage
So
movie.
come on.
That's a good one.
Good
I
marriage
want
movie.
I want the Gopal sir or Madhuri ka marriage in that.
I
Why does she look
fucking
like that in the
uterus
movie?
went inside.
It is the
He's very mean.
least sexy, most evil asshole Shah
Yeah,
Rukh
he's
has
really
ever.
mean.
I remember Salman at one point loses his cool and was like, "Hey, chichora hai tu, chichora hai." एक लोगों का chichora है साले. और क्या? अब तो मैं तेरी बीवी को फोन करूँगा. Sorry ना. अब तो जाएंगे फोन तेरी बीवी को. And he's just Gopal sir is losing his mind. Like, don't have male friends. Don't have male friends. Come on, don't have male
I mean,
friends.
to be fair, I think
Their friendship
even
is weird, bro.
Madhuri is like
Yeah.
weird with her best friend. Yeah, what
It's
are you
weird.
doing?
What are they doing?
Bro,
that's
he's
weird?
trying to little bit
They
bang
were
her.
trying to have sex and she's
Never.
getting call
She's calling
and she's talking to him while he's like removing her sari.
And she's
Come
giving
on.
Okay, 1 second. When you said they're trying to have sex, I thought you were talking about Salman and Madhuri.
no,
I got
like,
scared. I was like,
sorry,
वो तो
sorry.
देखा ही नहीं मैंने.
No.
Because
Shah
there's a
Rukh-
dream sequence in which they're doing
Yeah.
ना.
खटिया
गले
पे
में
गलू.
लाल टाई, घर में
Yeah.
एक चारपाई,
तकिया
तकिया एक और हम दो, एक ही है रजा, सर्दी कैसे
know.
जाएगी, वो कहो कैसे हमें नींद आएगी.
I don't know this song to dancing to the song.
Chorus में has joined.
That's
party.
another good this thing. But can I explain my Veer Zara thing? I'm feeling quite
You're
intensely
having
about
feelings?
it.
Then
Yeah.
you share.
Can I?
If you're having
I
feelings,
feel like
then-
there's a difference between selfless love and sacrificial love. Okay, I feel like selfless love may you do something for somebody, but you're very clear that you're doing it for yourself, so you're not cranky and sad and whiny about it. Which
I
is
didn't
Veer Zara.
understand.
In Veer Zara, he sacrifices his life. He's in jail without her,
So
right?
that is
For
sacrificial love.
selfless, I would say. Sacrificial
You
is
are
when you make
literally saying
yourself.
he sacrificed.
No, the representation of
Oh,
it. The
oh,
representation.
एक definition में
yeah.
दूसरा word use
The
कर लिया तुमने.
representation
Wait,
of
फिर
it.
से करते हैं, काट लेंगे.
Yeah.
नहीं
Now उसका
काटेंगे नहीं.
selfless
I'll
sacrifice.
say that I'm
Start
a
again.
human being, okay? No, what I'm saying is in Veer Zara, he basically chooses to be in jail so that she has a better life, right?
Correct.
He's being selfless about that.
मैंने मेरे को नहीं पता
And
ये.
he's not in, like, and in, let's say, Ashiki 2, he kills himself so that she has a better life.
Spoiler alert.
Okay.
Right. I feel like the way Veer Zara shows it, he's not a victim or he's not highly depressed and upset. He's happy that she's happy. Whereas in Ashiki 2, it's very like, मैंने ये किया, मैंने ये तेरे लिए किया. It's very thopoing कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए कुछ किया. And there's a difference between those two things.
Like one is a national hero character and one is a bit of a depressed drunk, no?
Yeah, and I feel like if someone thopos their sacrifice on you, that's not
No,
love.
but Ashiki 2 sucks only.
हाँ.
So that
Sayyara,
too is-
So comparison, नहीं, Sayyara is different.
No, but Sayyara mein what is happening? She sacrifices, no, in that.
This thing of like, I've sacrificed and now I'm upset
A
and sad.
realistic
She's
depiction
not
of
upset,
Alzheimer's,
she's
yeah.
forgotten
She's
only,
forgotten
yeah.
Are we
How to be
forgetting the
upset?
realistic depiction of Alzheimer's is why I like Sayyara, yaar. That you forget one boy, एक boyfriend छोड़ के पुराना वाला याद रहता है बस.
Yeah.
I'm alone in this award. Y'all are understanding the distinction I'm making.
No,
No.
see, Veer Zara, I'll tell you what the
I'm
problem
on-
for
yeah.
me is.
I get it. Hey, Aishwarya,
Huh.
she's right.
But no,
Sorry,
that's
I have to
not
remember
why.
मेरी
No, I
main
don't
friend
want
है.
that.
I don't know
I
what
don't
she's
want
saying,
that.
but I'm on your
I
team.
want to know if I
You know
make
what?
sense.
I
in
think
this.
you're right. I think she's,
Wing.
Is
Right
there
wing.
anyone who's saying she's not right? Veer Zara, we were talking. I love Veer Zara.
Veer Zara, correct, that one.
You know,
it's
I'll
actually
pretend like
selfless and
I'm
sacrificial
satisfied.
love को लेके ना.
Selfless versus sacrifice. I think I've said
Correct.
something
I think
very
I prefer
deep.
sacrificial. Selfless, I love.
Where you do something and you're not being a victim in that situation is what I'm saying.
I feel
we can move on.
my problem with Veer Zara is that after these 20 plus years that they have come back is like, oh, inka milan ho gaya, crazy ho gaya. I don't feel anything.
It's like Auroh mein kahan dum tha, if anyone has seen that movie. Am I
No,
the
what
only
is
one
this?
on this?
What is
hill?
this?
There's an Ajay Devgan movie called Auroh mein kahan dum tha, which didn't make money because it's a better movie than most movies he's done in the last few years with Tabu.
Okay.
Oh,
Shantanu
yes.
Maheshwari
Correct,
and some
correct.
girl are there.
Correct.
And wo bachpan mein someone's assaulting their young lovers. They're 20 years old. Someone comes to assault the girl. So this guy in a fit of rage, like she accidentally or something, they end up killing the guy who's trying to assault her. He goes to jail.
Okay.
He takes the crime. Then he goes away for 20 years to jail. Then when he comes back, she's married to someone else. It's like a masala three of us.
Oh.
Like a masala three of us is what I would call it. Mysore masala three of us. Some potato, Jimmy Shergill, podi. It's like a Dakshinayan.
I don't think you can, like, I also feel like you have to discuss Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam when it comes to marriage, love and all, na? Because it's showing
Selfless and
different.
sacrificial.
Yeah.
अब आया ना, अब मैं समझा
You all
था.
understood ना?
Selfless and sacrificial. Who is selfless in that? Who is sacrificial?
I think that
Ajay selfless.
Ajay selfless.
And I got
Sa-
it. I understood concept.
yes!
Sacrifice तो ऐश्वर्या हो रही है.
But that is shown.
भाई यार मेरी life ही है.
अगर यही दो choice हैं, some man child in Italy जो जाट करके बातें करता रहता है पूरे time.
But Ajay is the better option.
I agree.
Yeah, but
I
like
mean, he's a little boring or whatever, but like Salman was so cheh.
Yeah. He's talking to
Just-
the sky and all.
he was
a little
cute only.
Difficult to live
He
with
cries
that.
to his dad once like, "क्यों किया तुमने मेरे साथ?"
He gets slapped by the sky also.
by lightning,
That was funny.
the
yeah.
rod
He
of
also-
lightning.
आपने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा
He keeps talking to the skies.
Damn.
You can't be married to that. He's not
Yeah.
stable at all.
He's
There's
not.
something
It's
really-
too much. You have to constantly take care of him. dude.
Yeah.
If you feed him mirchi by mistake, then you have to go run around with shakkar.
Yeah.
You think
and you
one,
throw the spoon
you-
again and again.
You
Yeah.
think Vanraj will be some sensitive, loving guy?
Vanraj was a sensitive, loving guy.
Till he could convince her that let go of your flamboyant boyfriend and be my wife.
He didn't
When did he
convince.
convince?
It's selfless.
What are you saying?
He didn't convince. He
All
said
of
you
this is
decide.
a ruse
You go.
to tell her that I am there for
Ja
you.
Simran,
said,
ja,
"Ji le
ji le
apni
apni
zindagi."
zindagi, he did.
Which
And
he
she
knew
comes
na,
back.
set a bird free, Aishwarya Rai comes back.
See, this
Or
he's
I
saying
don't-
performative, but
Yeah.
Tabu, you're not saying performative. I'm saying the same thing. These are smart people. They know what works. They do what works.
Somehow I trust
No,
Tabu
I
more
think-
than Ajay Devgan.
No, I think he made that choice to let her go. And there's like 50-50 possibility that she comes back. Imagine now Salman and Ajay ke beech mein. Okay, Ajay has grown up with the insecurity that I look like this.
Like,
Okay, I can't say these.
Said, it's
like
said,
what?
Like that.
वो strike मार
like
देता है.
that.
मैंने सुना है चैनल बंद हो जाते हैं उसकी वजह से.
Oh, really?
I love everybody.
I love everybody.
Everybody looks.
I love you all.
I just think that Ajay Devgan was the type of love or the type of love that he was doing, whichever adjective you
Duty-bound
pick.
love.
Duty-bound love. Like that kind of a lover will always have that hey type in his background where he'll be very always like, look at me, yaar. I don't care. Like slight loser attitude towards
No,
love.
see, the thing is, what I was saying about the look aspect, I want to finish my thought so that doesn't get
Why are
misconstrued.
you angry at them?
And I'm not angry. I'm saying I'm sorry. That's me apologizing. Is it wrong? Am I not doing it properly? Huh? Huh? No, but what I'm saying is that you've grown up not being the most
Conventional.
conventional good looker.
ठीक है, but
And
उसमें
then-
बोलने की क्या जरूरत है मुझे?
No. So then, your competitor is Salman Khan, this gorgeous looking human being. So when he lets Aishwarya goes, all his insecurities must be coming into play where he must be thinking, of course she will go to him, yeah. He is the better looker. He is her first love. He sings.
Yeah.
He's everything that he isn't.
Yeah.
So I don't think he's doing it with the intention कि हाँ यार ये तो आ जाएगी
Vanraj also
वापस.
sings.
Terribly.
Vanraj sings very
Soul
badly.
से soul से गाता है. He tells him
This
that
soul only is being
Vikram Gokhale or whoever
When he
the
sings
father
one
is.
So
soul
then that's
7.
selfless. I agree with what she's saying. I think it's selfless love, which, see, he's not being a victim after he's given. He's like, I want you to be happy.
What is sacrificial love then?
This Aditya Roy Kapoor,
जो
Ashiki
आशुतोष
2
राणा संघर्ष में
यार.
करता है.
नहीं देखी मैंने. नहीं देखी मैंने. Dude. है क्या?
Very
Oh
scary.
my God.
Fucking
It's sacrificing.
fully ruined
Literal
me. You know what is worse? Not Sangharsh. The one movie with Kajol playing double role.
गुप्त.
No.
Dushman.
No, Dushman.
Ashutosh Rana
haven't seen
again.
it. I got very scared.
Gokul.
Rana.
He plays Gokul the
where
rapist.
he-
Gokul the rapist.
My God. It has ruined me, dude.
Sanjay Dutt is also there.
I
in
have
that movie.
always been scared of him. Irrespective of what role he does
Humpty
now.
Sharma a little.
And he's
Humpty
actually
Sharma also, I was
quite a
like, oh.
sweet. Like if you see his
Yeah,
interviews
he's
and all, he
nice.
seems
He's
like
married
a
to
nice-
Renuka Shane, dude.
Correct.
What a
Best
nice,
woman.
sweet
Yeah,
too.
and like little poet, he talks about liberal poetry and all he does at events
so
and
sweet.
all. Ashutosh Rana, but has done played too many scary characters for us to take him seriously.
Would we want, you would want Vanraj to be your husband, no?
Vanraj.
Huh. Little doesn't have sense
Huh?
of
You
humor.
can't hear.
It doesn't have sense of
She's like,
humor.
यही choice है किसी और movie का सवाल पूछ.
yeah, now between Vanraj and
Sameer.
Sameer, I'll choose Vanraj. Would I choose Vanraj in isolation? Probably not. I will choose Aditya Kashyap.
Oh, everyone
lover
would choose.
boy.
Even I would choose Aditya Kashyap. Very
100%.
cute. Is
In
rich also.
isolation, yeah. I would actually choose Aditya over Mohan also.
Okay, fair. Fair.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aditya Kashyap over Mohan Bhargav.
Yes. Mohan Bhargav, I feel, is. Matlab, I just. There's this. Oh my god. He's so.
Aditya Kashyap is not little bit like a Cuckoo FM character or what?
What is a Cuckoo FM
Like a
character?
secret billionaire type, like, you know, mopey, sad, depressed guy comes into your life. Everyone's like, bichara, bully him, nikalta hai Airtel ka CEO or whatever. Like little, huh?
Okay, I get
Sanjay
it, I get it.
Singhania.
Sanjay Singhania, but real life.
Yeah, I like it.
That's what I'm saying. What part of the appeal is that?
It's the only movie of Shahid Kapoor
Understated
where I
billionaire.
like.
No, like I
adds
think
to sex appeal?
he is funny. He also see the part where he legit lets her go. Now selfless or
Selfless love.
sacrificial?
Selfless,
You
yeah.
clarify.
Sacrificial is when you're dukh that say you're doing something versus selfless where you're doing it in a way that's
Yeah,
accepting
he
of like.
moved on in life
Yeah.
and like he started his Geet SIM card. He did
वो
everything.
रो नहीं रहा है
moving
बैठ
on.
के पागल की
That's
तरह.
moving on.
That's moving
He's
on.
not
Naming your
mopey.
SIM card after her.
He's
he's
not
not naming
mopey.
his child after
He's
it.
not
Hold on.
mopey.
SIM card is a- See now if her name was Rajalakshmi.
He wouldn't do it. Bad marketing.
रातें सौगातें हैं उसकी. He is full on in office holding employees captive.
No, but he's not
Shantanu.
sad about it.
He's accepted.
You didn't see him cry. Every time you fool. हर बार मेरी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि गीत क्या करती है? You fool is
So
what
he's
he's
taken
doing.
the best of her.
Obsessed. He's not
Yeah.
let her go at all.
He's taken the best of her and absorbed
Yeah.
that. And he's living that. He's not
Yes.
crying
Okay,
about
fine.
it.
Okay, fine.
You know what I'm saying about
I-
sacrifice versus
Okay, fine,
selfless.
you're
You
right.
know what it is.
But you can't be sad about it.
Yeah.
Accept it happily.
Let go.
Accept it.
I'm naming a new SIM card called You Girls Are Right 5G.
Would I have one more random it came up right now? Would you marry Aman or Rahul in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai? You tell.
अब रोहित है पहली बात. दूसरा
रोहित? अमन है.
कुछ कुछ होता है. Sorry, I thought you were saying
कुछ
Kalona.
कुछ होता है.
Aman or Rohit.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
That's also a good question.
हाँ, हाँ.
Aman or Rahul? Sallu.
सल्लू शादी करता. You?
Aman, no?
Aman. Toughy, no?
Very.
Both are good. Difficult.
The
One
thing-
comes with daughter, one comes with daughter.
One comes with daughter. The thing is, Aman
Confusion.
is very. I feel like he would want to have sex all the time, and sometimes I'm just not in the mood.
That's
Sure.
the actor. You're confusing your.
वो भी ऐश्वर्या.
हाँ,
मैं
ये.
क्या बोलूं यार? मैं bias. I sometimes feel like I'm Aishwarya Rai, you know.
गुरु में भी अच्छी शादी दिखाई है but very
oh,
nice wedding.
Oh no.
Good marriage.
No.
No. They really
What,
support
he
each
got
other.
married
He
to
got
her for
married away for
dowry.
dowry.
Arey, but the circumstances fuck all, of course.
I respect and
And
love the
then-
family though.
Oh, you all didn't think Guru showed good companionship? I thought it showed
No,
nice
what
companionship.
companionship, dude?
Madhavan
No,
and Vidya, best
Best,
companionship.
Yeah, that was
of
nice.
course, very
Great
sweet.
couple.
They get married also in that.
Yeah.
They do get married in that. But wait,
Lone
actually,
warrior.
खुद ही ताली मार रहा है अपने लिए.
you're saying Aman is too chair and too
Aman
much
is
sex
too.
vibes.
Yeah, he would constantly be in my face. He would not like let me live. He will be talking to random babies
Aunties also.
and children being like.
Nothing about the character, the way he played it. You can infer this from.
Of course you can.
What?
He's chilling with his
He's
Chotu
chilling
wali
with the Choti
Anjali. He's doing
Anjali. He's
bicep
making bicep,
push-ups
yeah.
he's doing.
And he's asking
He
her.
constantly want to have
तुम मेरी
sex.
शादी
और
करो.
कहाँ से आ रहा है यार? ये
No,
मैं
he does
पहले
not. He does little kissing and all
Yeah,
neck
like
and all he does.
when she's on call,
Yeah.
he'll
Hey,
come.
just give me na, just give me one.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
sniffing, he's sniffing.
Brother, she's getting her neck sniffed by a random dude. यार, it's okay. वो तो phone पे अपनी
No, but
मंगेतर
even
से.
at the
What random
conference, even in the conference, he's like, I'm feeling a little.
Yeah,
What is all that, bro?
there's always like and he knows that there's some hitchkichahat, but he will still force her, like not for sex, but like you get it. There's-
Yeah.
When
He's
you
trying.
see that she's being a little uncomfortable, let her
Have
be.
they
Yeah, I
been
agree.
intimate ever, you think,
No.
as a couple?
No.
No.
Never.
No.
She is waiting for shadi,
For sure.
and that's what
उसने
she's told him,
समझौता किया है.
and he's also waiting.
And she'll be a
desperately for-
proper Rani Mukherjee to the Abhishek Bachchan of Kank to him once they get married.
Yeah, she'd be like, don't
Yes.
touch me.
Huh?
100%.
She'll be a Rani Abhishek. She'll just be mopey, waiting
I
for
feel
someone
this
to
is
come along.
what Karan
Dev.
does. He will make one movie, then uska second part he'll make in the next movie. So Karan, sorry.
Yeah, Johar. I'm
yeah.
on second name basis with him.
Mr. Johar.
तो जौहर का क्या है ना?
Yeah, between Aman Rahul, I would pick neither, but if I gun to head, Rahul.
Gun to
I
head.
would also pick Rahul.
है
No,
ना?
yeah. He's like little more fun.
Yeah,
Rahul.
like
Yeah,
he'll
I would send Anjali to boarding school, but I would not. I don't want to hang with a kid for that.
You know, when I was growing up,
Yeah.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was the first movie I watched in theatre, and it was my favorite movie, which again, like BV number one, every time it came on TV, I would watch it.
Yeah.
Now I've grown up thinking ki this is how love is supposed to be, and I feel pyar dosti hai.
I fully
So
agree.
even if when I was dating someone else in school, I had a male best friend, I'm like, end to isi ke saath ho. What kind of a
1 second. That guy, no. What's his name? Give shout out. वो बेचारा उसका
वो अभी भी सोच
सोचो.
रहा है.
I can only think about that guy. वो बेचारा was like ये एक दिन end up होगी मेरे साथ.
आज भी बैठा है.
best friend करके घूम रहा है. अभी Instagram पे देखता है उसको. भाई मेरे से तो नहीं कि किसी और का. Oh.
मेरे मोहल्ले
That's how
में
incels
ऐश्वर्या
are born. That is the birth of an incel.
yeah, I feel he
Girls
is
are
an
making
incel also
incels,
right
yeah.
now.
I'm blaming the women.
Yeah. Girls are rejecting. That's why. Which real life married couple do you all like on screen?
Virushka.
You know,
Oh,
real
like
life
that.
married couple, nahi re. Like Saif, Kareena, do you all like them together?
Oh, you know,
Ash.
yesterday only I saw one Kareena reel where she's like, Seth is my whole life, and she has tears in her eyes.
Aw.
I'm like, that's it.
I would want to be married to Saif.
I'll give options.
Yeah, Seth is nice.
course.
Seth is fun.
Mama.
I would love to
Any
be
day.
married. with Seth.
I'll
Any
give
day.
options. I will have to pick who you all like the most.
many
Okay.
women.
Done.
Okay, so Saif, Kareena on screen. Don't say
Done.
off screen.
Saif
Saif,
Kareena.
Kareena on
On
screen.
The
screen.
Zoom TV
On screen.
segment of this podcast.
Yeah, it's coming to me. It's coming to me. Ranbir, Alia
On screen.
on screen. Ranveer, Deepika. Between the three, do ranking.
क्या है तीन? रणबीर आलिया?
Saif,
Ranveer,
Kareena.
Deepika.
Ranveer, Deepika.
Seth, Kareena,
Oh, Ranveer, Alia. last.
Ranveer, Alia.
ठीक है. You do?
रणबीर आलिया. रणवीर आलिया.
No.
No, what are you doing?
Don't do one
Saif,
thing.
Deepika.
Don't do this.
Ajnabi. I'm Ajnabiing this. Wait, it's Saif Kareena. I don't actually think I'm very fond of on screen.
Yeah,
Kurban and
Kurban
Tashan.
was
Kurban and
yeah.
Tashan, I think they've not done justice to them as a pairing.
Correct, fair.
So bottom. Then second is Ranbir Alia. ये bottom third पे ये है.
How Ranbir Alia justice
No,
has been done.
Yeah.
Ranbir Alia second.
But
Brahmastra.
like justice between
As in Ranbir Alia, I still think overall acting chops, if you combine the two
Chemistry
of them.
also you thought
I
was
think
there.
I'll,
Ranbir is a definitely better actor.
I like
than-
Saif a lot. He's a great actor, but
No, I
Ranbir
think
is
he's
better.
better than Saif.
And Alia is
Oh.
better than Kareena.
Oh,
Alia is a
guts.
much better actor than Kareena.
क्या बोल रहा है?
I don't think Kareena can do Highway or Urta Punjab.
That's not true. She's
That's
done
not-
Chameli and all.
She
much
did
before.
Urta
Kareena
Punjab.
literally
Yeah,
did
but
Urta
she
Punjab.
can't do what Alia did.
No,
I don't think
Kareena
she
did Chameli.
Yeah, she's
Kareena
done
did.
Dave.
Chameli,
there's
let's
some
relax
thing.
on a little bit.
Bro, Chameli
No,
is very
Kareena,
good. Chameli.
dude, Kareena crying and Jab We Met, beautiful.
क्या सोच रही थी मैं
Dude, nobody can do the fucking overacting also that Kareena can
Correct,
do.
fully. And I miss that a lot.
Alia,
Dude, मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे?
Oof.
That whole Sangeet sequence, my God.
just stop talking.
That is a
about
full
this.
Sangeet, bada.
Talk about मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे all the time.
I love मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे, dude.
Every year
People
once.
नहीं सुनना है कुणाल कोहली के बारे में. Once हो गया. Give her your theory.
गोभी के पराठे.
What?
Gobi
I
ke
hate,
parathe,
I
garam
hate
garam
Rani
gobi ke
Mukherjee in
parathe,
that
thandi dahi ke
movie.
saath.
I hate that character.
You hate
Because
that
I'll tell you what it is. You
Yeah,
grow up wanting to be her.
That's
and
what I
then
was-
you reach your
Same.
late 20s, early 20s, whatever. Sometime in your life you realize, yuck, this is a bitch. Like,
Yeah.
she's a fucking raging bitch.
No,
And
but
then
I
want to
think
be
main,
Kareena.
I don't like Hrithik also
He's
in
the
it.
worst.
है
But
ना?
that's a given.
Okay.
That's
ठीक
a
है, फिर
given.
then
He's a-
Hrithik has a pattern of characters where he plays, where he is getting married to someone he doesn't want to get married to, and is playing it as a sacrifice.
Give example.
Selfless
Yade?
versus sacrifice. हाँ.
Yade, Yade, he's getting married, but he's doing I'm gonna get married because I can't marry you, and it's everyone's fault. Same thing in Mujhse Dosti Karogi, also the same thing is there. He's like, I'm marrying her, it's your fault I'm marrying her, I'll break her heart for you. Tu kaisi dost hai? And then there's one more. There's a third film
There
which
has to be 3 for it to make sense.
Yeah, yeah,
If
yeah.
you
Card
say
de
2
gaya.
and then you're
Khatam
like,
ho gaya.
हो गया भाई, खत्म.
Kites. He was married to Suzanne, but wanted to be married to Barbara Mori.
I'm out, dude. I'm out. I will get more trolled, yaar.
But you know what?
I needed the third, yeah. You raised the stakes. I needed
No,
the
this is
third.
funny. This is funny.
But you know, Mujhse Dosti Karoge, there's a scene where Kareena Kapoor's father dies, right?
Yeah.
And these two have come from their mini honeymoon.
Yes.
Rani Mukherjee and Hrithik
Haath
Roshan.
pakad
They're
ke
holding
jaana.
hands.
छोड़ देते
Haath
One crying Kareena comes in the middle. Rani Mukherjee breaks away from
Yeah.
Hrithik Roshan, turns around. She's upset by the fact that now I can't be with Hrithik Roshan.
She doesn't console
Bro,
her about her father at all.
Father died.
She
How?
doesn't. In that scene, she hugs her and like she's hugging her, and she's not saying anything. क्या हुआ uncle को? क्या था?
The
Do
movie
that.
is like,
It's
I'm
just
gonna
looking at
sacrifice.
Hrithik and her are just like, no smash today.
Like, oh shit, now we can't be with each other.
Back
Damn,
in-
what a
I don't
downer her
remember.
dad
Yeah, I
died.
remember only because she doesn't stop talking about this movie.
I get angry watching Mujhse Dosti
And she-
Karoge.
Yeah,
like-
मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे is a very like
Rage bait. It's fully
watch,
rage
but
bait.
I still enjoy the whole
course.
masala that happens. The end में सिंदूर comes flying, all those things. Yum.
बच गई करीना उसमें.
She has an Uday Chopra crush.
Not crush. Crush is a little exaggerated. I don't think he was as bad as people make him out to be. I think he had something.
I like मेरे यार की
है ना?
शादी है.
Love it.
Just
मेरे
so,
यार की
so
शादी.
matter of
I
fact
really like
also with
Mere
that
Yaar.
opinion.
Huh?
Like just such a matter of fact. I like it. I like it's like a corporate
I mean,
meeting.
I don't think it's
care,
like a-
Chopra. That file needs to reach my desk by Thursday. I like Mere Yaar Ki Shaadi. There was just there's no.
I'm trying to think and I'm like, I don't hate it. Now, Tushar Kapoor, if you said कि ये बंदा यार strong है.
बोलेगा ये.
Shut up,
He likes
Shantanu,
Tushar
come on.
Kapoor.
Shut
He likes
up.
मुझे
Tushar
कुछ
Kapoor.
कहना है. That's the kind of boyfriend I want. I want a boyfriend
खून से
who writes
letter.
me a love letter written
खून से
in his
letter
blood.
लिखेगा.
I will give myself to that boy who writes a blood written letter to me. Or even like Gayab ka Tushar.
Stalker.
That's the kind of
Yeah,
boy.
because he was not visible in the movie.
Yeah,
He's
just there.
stressed.
Just a touch here. Hey,
creepy.
hey, आ गया तू?
No, Shaz, please.
Fine,
यार,
okay, I
come
don't
on.
have serious answers.
Uday and all,
Okay.
I will.
Uday,
I will
not
think-
too bad, yeah, honestly.
I think Uday should be allowed.
No one was talking about cancelling his soul.
No.
That was not on the
Exist. He can
table. That
exist.
he can exist.
He's allowed to
Uday
exist.
is allowed now.
Me with my ring. Uday should be allowed.
Uday, it's just I like it. Uday को allow कर दो चलो.
Oh,
और आदित्य को नहीं.
आदित्य को तो अलाउ ही करना पड़ेगा यार.
कौन आदित्य?
रॉय कपूर.
Oh, lover. Nice.
Lover.
He's your lover.
More
He-
enthusiastic.
Ex-lover, ex-husband.
Oh, right.
He was your ex-husband, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we got married for 15 minutes.
That's long enough. More than most marriages.
All through this, और school के best friend के लगे हुए हैं. Multiple marriages. Not one of them is to
वो
him.
बैठा है.
वो बैठा है अभी वहाँ पे just hating. वांगा की movies देख रहा है रोज बैठ के. ये सही कर रहा है औरतों के साथ.
Hey, yeah, he's waiting for his Aishwarya.
You know, no, I don't know why I'm randomly I digress.
Say.
Tell now.
But
Let's
what
get
do
to
y'all
that.
think about Dil Chahta Hai couples?
Oh,
I love all.
just discussing.
I love all.
Akshay
That's
Dimple,
my
you don't
opinion.
need to love so much also.
Akshay Dimple, why you like?
Because, like,
I mean,
Selfless
it's a great,
love.
No, I think it's a great movie to watch.
हाँ.
Like, oh, कुछ interesting हो गया.
Hmm.
But it's
Art
not like,
house.
oh, my favorite couple. Wow, Akshay Dimple, yum.
no, they don't even end up, bichari. She dies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even if she didn't, वो कौन सा?
But I really like Saif and Sonali.
Sonali
vibes. Good
Kulkarni.
vibes.
Very nice.
Good vibes.
Very
I
nice.
love.
Yeah.
I feel like they should have double clicked on
Shown
it.
that. Yeah,
Even
they lean
Amir
heavily.
Preeti actually. Amir Preeti from
I like.
conventional rom-com standards are very nice.
Yeah.
They go through all the beats and motions.
Correct.
Although personally I'm a Rohit fan.
What?
Ayub Khan,
Bakwas.
What?
हाँ,
very
कुछ
good
भी.
guy. Yeah?
No, now what? Now you become the contrarian over here.
He will do.
Someone
Yeah.
भी big man.
Someone else.
He likes his
Everybody's
toxic
like,
वरना
batch.
पॉइंट क्या है फिर आएंगे क्यों ऐसा लाइट वाइट लगा के
जाने क्यों
वरना
लोग-
टेक्स्टर ना और ये देखी हाँ अच्छी है ना आई एग्री बाय
जाने क्यों लोग प्यार करते हैं मिनी हम तुम. That whole song
There's
is
an
like a
homage to
movie.
that
ना?
shot.
so much better,
Yeah.
no?
Oh, I love हम तुम also. हम तुम recently I saw
Sadka
Aishwarya
Kiya mein
very
there's an
sweet.
homage to that. Imran Khan gets up from a park bench and walks away from Sonam Kapoor.
Yeah.
Same color shirt he's wearing as
Correct.
Aamir
They do
and Preeti.
multiple movies in that
Yeah,
song.
they do Mohabbatein
They're doing
also.
set
कर लिया
pieces
one
in
up.
that.
जीत गई. जीत गई.
They do Mohabbatein.
They do Mohabbatein.
They do.
3 up.
They do. There are 3 leads also in Mohabbatein.
Just कुछ भी आप बोल रहे हैं.
There are
Oh, then
actually-
Chopra is in it.
Yeah,
4 leads are
Shamita.
there.
Also, I just realized Shamita has
Aishwarya
been
is also there.
one.
That's true.
For a while. Till she gets honored.
Ghost of Aishwarya.
Ghost of Aishwarya.
Yeah.
No, but I'm saying this one in K3G because you said you like K3G, no?
You've forgotten. My whole
we've discussed
rant you've
so much.
forgotten.
You said you
It's
hated
not
K3G, sorry. But Amitabh,
likes
Jaya
Sushmita.
Bachchan relationship also you all didn't like in K3G in terms of like a legacy
What
marriage
are
that
you
they're
saying
showing.
now? That's so obvious
ये तो
only.
ज़्यादा
right?
contrarian हो गया यार.
One second. They have
subdom, trad subdom.
they have a
dynamic.
really nice moment. So basically in the
What,
first
कह
half
दिया,
of
बस कह दिया?
no,
Tie.
that's the best
Tie.
moment.
Tie.
Yeah. The first half, he's like stand up on a stool and tie me a tie. In the second half, he's become a lot more. He has more humility.
He's more selfless.
And he bends. That's a moment, guys. That's like no dialogues. Through action, they're showing how much he's changed.
That's the bare minimum that we are.
Stool नहीं रहा होगा set पे उस दिन.
By all this, यार आकांक्षा.
So
please.
cynical.
तरुण
यार.
मनसुखानी जो AD था lost the stool.
How cynical.
No, we are not cynical. I to love Sayara, dude. Max non-cynical
We
person over
can't
here.
end or like reach the end of an episode on love in Bollywood on Raichand couple as the
Yeah,
couple
that's-
that we end on.
I think in that generation they've shown something like you can really villainize them, but they've humanized it thoda sa through that little jhukna and all that. I feel like that. I'm not saying he's a great husband. I'm saying there's a moment of evolution which is rare, which is nice to watch. You all don't agree.
I don't.
I love K3G.
I love K3. I know you. I know why you're circling this. You want to end with one couple, one final Bollywood couple that you think is
Epitome
the
of
best,
love.
the epitome of love. Actually, it doesn't have to be Bollywood. It can be just any.
Anyone.
Like, मैं तो विराट अनुष्का के बारे में बात
Yeah.
करने वाला हूँ.
What?
Same ना?
I really like Virat.
Best couple, no?
100%.
Oh my god.
Guys all have to do Bollywood. It's a Bollywood show.
Yeah, sorry.
Anushka is where from which industry?
No, boy also has to be. And do movie,
Manyamar
don't
and-
do real life.
Okay, fine.
Movie, na? What? Ekdam? What is the best couple?
एकदम
Best love. ऐसे देख के लगा हो, I wish.
बेस्ट की
Yeah.
कर दिया. Wow, what a romance.
See, everything. I think I am a cynic because every time I think of something that I'm
You're like, "गलत है
that's
ये
also
दोनों."
okay only. Like I'm thinking Preeti Aman, but again, like
Maria.
Over Rohit.
what?
You don't like Rohit and Preeti? Like Saif.
Yeah, I know.
Saif in कलो ना हो.
क्या बोल रहा है यार?
मैं इतना बेवकूफ थोड़ी हूँ. They're a sweet couple only.
Yeah,
Rohit
I
and
think they're
Preeti.
sweet, yeah. Now you're contrarian.
They're sweet or not? Sweet is what? Yeah, fucking sugar sweet. But like I don't.
You want raunch, like a little bit
I
of that.
want. Like,
Aman had no ranch.
Aman
does
was,
neck sniff.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Aman, when he comes and like she does this, and then he comes and like fully shakes and he gives her one kiss, and then oh my god.
चश्मे निकाल देता है उसके. She can't see.
It's fine. Every
Yeah,
girl
she
needs a
wear
makeover. It's
lenses.
okay.
She's okay. I
Every girl needs
feel.
a man to come and tell her that she's not
One
allowed to
makeover.
wear.
I
good.
feel in all movies normally the woman comes and fixes the guy. For a change, the man has come and fixed the girl, and we should appreciate.
Okay.
I can't.
So that's so
We should appreciate.
She's doing Aman
This is
and
a great.
तुम्हारा क्या?
Very.
Yours is Mr. Raichand only.
No, I'm just saying that in that
Epitome of love.
generation, I
No,
think
if
it's.
y'all will see now, like I really like Rani
Yeah.
and Vivek from Satya and all.
Mine is also that only.
But
now we
I
said-
don't think they are the most ideal couple
No.
or whatever.
No.
Ideally, it would be Suri and Tani.
Tani partner.
Yeah. Will be
Okay.
like ideal. Or Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na.
जाने तो या जाने ना. I think mine would be जाने तो जाने तो या जाने ना.
I'm giving options. She's picking all. Nah,
Mine
Satya
is-
also mine. Jaane Tu also
is,
mine.
In Fida, Fardeen Khan and Kareena Kapoor have a lot of chemistry. So
What the fuck? He's a murderer. He's
What
like.
are you saying, Akanksha? I can't
Are
like
you
support you on
stupid?
these things.
Yeah, how can you say
But
that?
They are
what
in the
chemistry,
shower
dude?
showering when Shahid Kapoor enters. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
It's a lot.
In the limousine also they are making, they can't keep the hands off each other. I think they're quite a vibe.
मैंने जिसको चाहा
मिल गया. Oh, actually I have one. I got one from Satya only.
You
I
actually
think,
have one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think Kareena, Vivek and Yuva would have been a really cute
Very good
couple.
couple. I like Kareena.
Yeah.
मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ, तुम अपने साथ यूएस ले जाना चाहता हूँ.
I would look forward to being a voyeur in their marriage. I'm like, I want to see what y'all are like when y'all marry. I like.
वहाँ पे
Yeah.
नहीं, but बाकी का agree.
That is so. That's a very good one.
Yeah.
Such nice
जल्दी से शादी कर
banter.
लो
They
guys.
like each other, and I need the boy to be a little submissive
Yeah,
in
sure.
in movies, in relationship.
Yeah.
It just sounds so weird. what I'm
Just
saying.
go for it. Just
We know a
believe in
lot
yourself.
now. We know a
Believe
lot.
in yourself.
No, but like when I see, I need you to nyochavar a little, not
Oh.
come with a fucking attitude.
न्योछावर की हो रहा है भाई, न्योछावर बंदे चाहिए straight तेरे इश्क में
यार, ये बंदा न्योछावर नहीं कर रहा है यार.
नहीं, उसकी तो नाक ऊपर हाँ. No.
Yeah,
I get
but
what
like
you're
you
saying.
were
Like
young.
someone who has a sense of humor also, who knows how to flirt. Like, but you
Correct.
want your partner to do all that.
You know, Akash and I have to mention him once at least. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
But when we started talking, the only reason I kind of fell for him was because we bantered in Bollywood dialogues.
Oh, love it.
It was so good. I really enjoyed. I have like screenshots of those, and sometimes I just see and watch.
Oh, so nice.
And such niche dialogues he got, and he understood, and he gave also.
What's the most niche dialogue that he said to you? Hi Akash.
Or pass. Or pass.
On screenshot. This उसके ऊपर नीचे के स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं देखने भाई किसी को और पास का को
So good. You know,
just
there
got-
was this other guy that I was talking to when he texted me.
वही बेस्ट फ्रेंड स्कूल का बेंच किया हुआ है इसको
And this was not nothing serious or anything. I was like flirting with him or whatever. But I was feeling a little weird to like flirt with a new guy. So I told him, Mera hai Anshuman. And he got it. I loved it. It was just so like he got these beach mein things.
The
and he
undertone of what you were saying
Very
through
good, yeah.
dialogues, the best way to communicate.
I'll also
lovely.
message Akash
Yeah.
today. I'll send him और पास out today. आज आकाश को एक मैसेज आया मुझे आकाश रात रुक भाई
पास.
तेरे को मैसेज भेजता हूँ बड़े दिनों से बात नहीं हुई एक और पास आप भेज रहा हूँ मैं देखो and let your wife explain to you why you have received it from me.
But हाँ मतलब I feel
Good
like
one.
I've grown up watching Bollywood movies, and I believe that I feel like I have unlearned a lot since how pick me
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
all through growing up,
Yeah.
because that's what I grew up watching. But ultimately, I still lean on Bollywood even in my relationship. Like my
Yeah.
whole life is centered around my relationship, and everything else is like ancillary stuff that is happening, which is very Bollywood coded. I
Correct.
feel.
Yeah, it isolates. Bollywood love isolates you from
Actually,
the world.
they don't have friends and all, no? Like,
I have
in
friends.
love. No,
नहीं.
in
I have
movies, yeah. अरे movies,
ऐसे
yeah.
आई है बेचारी यार टाइम नहीं आया तेरे फ्रेंड नहीं है ना हैं मूवीज भी गंदी पसंद है सेल्फलेस का मतलब पता नहीं वीर ज़ारा देखी नहीं है दोस्त है
I
नहीं।
feel
अब-
this is Shantanu talking, and not Akansha.
नहीं these are the things you are implying ऐसे
No,
नहीं बात
I'm
कर।
saying in movies
Shut
they never
up.
show
Sorry,
friends
guys. I know.
of the couple. They never show friends. It's a thing. Like, they're always the side people in their life. Versus
Yeah,
like,
I don't like that. Like
know?
YGHD में.
Yeah. Oh
I
my
want to know more about Taran Aditi. I don't get it.
same.
काल्की
Yeah, Kalki.
she's so done very dirty in that they
Yeah.
don't
No,
give her enough
she I feel is doing dirty to Taran also, because she doesn't try to involve him in the friend group.
I think she's saving
He
him.
seems
तरान
like
कौन है
Kunal Roy Kapoor.
Kunal Rai Kapoor.
उसका नाम है
His name is Taran. in the
who
movie.
would have thought हाँ?
But I feel she's not integrating him, or she thinks of him as a side character. And I understand
Okay.
that the movie is about friendship, and it's okay to be like talking about friendship. But I feel like you're not even. I don't know how you all fell in love, dude, because I don't see it. One side में you've come and said कि
He's a good guy.
He's a good
Even
guy.
Manjari Fadnis got more screen time in Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na.
Of
The Jay,
course.
what is
She
this?
was a full,
But
yeah.
but
was
what
very
is this
nice.
comparison कि मंजरी को मिल गया तुम
Side chick, side chick.
क्यों नहीं मिल सकता
Side, nah, like in a story about
In a
friends.
story about,
in a story
okay.
about friends, one of the ancillary love tracks that someone
Fair,
has.
fair.
बच गया भाई ये नहीं ये बचा नहीं पाता मैं ये तो बस माता रानी की कृपा है बस गलती से निकल गया मुंह से मैंने बोला सही पड़ गया इसी नोट पे एंड कर देते हैं मेरे हिसाब से वाओ व्हाट एन एपिसोड
I know, she
Lovely
moved you.
episode. We're
We're
clapping for
ourselves
ourselves.
right
Say
now.
thank you to Aishwarya
Thank
for
you,
coming and
Aishwarya.
joining us. Tell her to come again.
Ah, lovely.
Yeah.
Next
Again.
episode I'll be here.
Selfless. It will be selfless of her to sacrifice herself and coming for one more episode where we discuss Veer Zara after she has seen it.
She's seen it. She
I've
doesn't
seen it in
like.
parts and bits and all. Guys, don't get me started. This
She's
episode is
seen it
not
on
going to
मेरी
end.
भैंस को अंडा क्यों मारा में scenes देखे हैं उसके
how I've
अलग
seen
अलग
it,
फिल्मी
yeah.
चैनल पे. She has seen vignettes of मैं कह दी number channel change. What she has seen.
I think
And
it's okay.
that brings us to the end of this episode. Keep watching the Popcorn Hour, and Aishwarya will also tell you to keep watching the Popcorn Hour and like, share, and subscribe.
One sec. Please keep watching the Popcorn Hour.
okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I tried something
Okay.
because some callback type shit.
something happened.
Please keep watching Popcorn Hour. It's amazing. I love it.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Aishwarya.